Hey kiddos, so I have gotten a few students that are still a little bit confused on how to put your material into Google Classroom. So I'm going to walk you through 4 steps of how to do this, okay? So if you are still confused about this, please come see me during office hours and I can walk you through it. I've gone over it a bunch in class, and Mr. Campbell also uploaded a video of how you can do it directly from your phone. I'm going to show you how to do this from your computer because your computers should all have the same functions I'm going to show you today. Alright, so this is a video on how to upload photos and videos to Google Classroom because, again, primarily the work that I'm asking in remote learning for y'all to do is uploading your work so I can see your projects, right? And y'all have done a great job so far, so for those that are having trouble, here's a video. Step number 1 is you're going to need to locate the camera on your computer. All right, so we're going to start with going down to the bottom left-hand corner or your start button, or you can even go into your search bar, whatever you have, type in camera. Your camera app, you see it's up here, it's going to pop up. Now, it's not going to, I don't believe, no, it's not going to engage. No, it's not going to engage because I'm on a call with y'all. But I would be seeing a selfie of myself right here in this area right here, okay? So from here, you should have a button right here at the bottom where you can either press the button to take a picture or you can start the button to take a video. So if I wanted to take a picture, I could click the button, I could take a picture, right? Or do like that, take a picture, click the button, boom, you got it. Or I could start the button and it starts the video. It gives you a choice of either photo or video depending on which way you swipe. When you're done with the camera, with taking your photo or your video, it's going to prompt you asking a question. Do you want to save or do you want to retake? Do not go out of this window. This happened to one of my students the other day where he left it and it didn't keep his work. Very frustrating, I know. Right. What you need to do is while you're in the camera app, once you're done, you need to click save. Almost like instantly, just click save. You're going to save it and it's going to save into your My Pictures document. Even if it's a video, it's going to save into your My Pictures on your desktop, okay? So step number 1, find your camera, take either your photo or your video. Step number 2, save into your photos. And to check that, I'm just going to click out of the camera to show you now next. If you go now to make sure again that you have your work, your photos on your computer, okay, it's going to pop up. Now, this is a bunch of stuff that I've had recently, okay? So you got your photo. It's in here. You locate it, boom, you got it on your desktop. Then, since you're already into Google Classroom, okay, I'm just going to go to the main page here for my 7th graders. So if you're already in Google Classroom, you see this. Where'd my stylus go? Here it is. You see these buttons right here, okay? These buttons right here are going to allow you to choose of any of the Google apps that you have to choose from. You want to go ahead and pull up Drive right there. This is my Drive, and then from here, what I would do, we'll do that in a second. What you first want to do is now get your material into Drive, okay? So number 1 was camera, you took a picture or a video. Number 2, saving it to your desktop, and it saves automatically into My Pictures or your photos. 3, you gotta get it on the net, okay? That's onto your Google Drive. So then what you're gonna do is go to New, File, Upload. And that's automatically pulling up your Pictures drive. Look at that. So from your pictures, you're gonna pick the photo. Let's just pick this one here, okay? Or the video. Click Open. Now it's going to upload. You see it's uploading right now? It's going to upload. Now, you might be like, I don't see it, Ms. Lundberg. Okay. This is the famous trick of Google Drive. Go to Recent, right down there. Look at that. There it is, right there. That's it, okay? That's my photo. All right, that's what I just uploaded. Same with videos, all right? You got it in your Drive. Great. That's step number 3. 1, camera/video. taking the actual content. 2, saving it on your computer, and it will save into your photos. 3, doing those 3 dots here, opening up Google Drive, new file upload, pull it in, and you got it right here, going to your recent folder. 4, this is the last thing. Go to Google Classroom again, okay? Go to your classwork. Now I'm going to just create something because I want to show you more of what your screen's going to look like, okay? So I'm going to create an assignment because, again, teachers look a little different than students. From here, say this is a created assignment. So you're going to go to one of your recent assignments, like the Create Art in the Theater or the Let's Get Physical in the Theater. Go to that one. Scroll to the bottom. So imagine all this is filled out where you've got the let's just say this is the Let's Create Art in the Theater. Imagine this is that post that I created that I sent to y'all, okay? You're going to click Add Google Drive. So I think it's Add File and then Google Drive, or it might just be Add in Google Drive. Now, listen, you just added that photo or video. Go ahead and get it in. Under Recent, you can either upload it or you can do Recent. Look at that, right there. Add that there. You got it right there. And then you're going to, now this obviously will not, this does not exist for yours as a teacher's screen. That's the word, okay? But where it does, what it does say next to it is the words turn in and a great big old button. You want to click that big old button because then I get an email saying that you did your work and you turned it in, and I can give you a big old check and collect it in PowerSchool. Okay? All right, y'all. I hope that's a little bit easier. That's all you have to do. If you are still having trouble, please come and find me, and I am happy to walk you through how to do this so it's a little bit easier for y'all, okay? But at this point, again, if you want to know how to do this in on your phone, that's fine. It's a little bit easier. You can take snapshots through that and upload it as well through there, okay? All right, y'all. Thank you. If you need anything else, let me know.